Looking for the perfect blend of power, precision, and advanced airgun technology? In this video, we're exploring the 10 best PCP air pistols of 2025 that are dominating the airgun market. From rapid-fire performance to exceptional accuracy, these pre-charged pneumatic pistols are ideal for target practice, casual plinking, and competitive shooting. We'll take a closer look at their key features, performance capabilities, and what sets each model apart from the rest. Number 1. Umarex Gauntlet Pistol. The Umarex Gauntlet is a powerful PCP airgun built for shooters who demand reliability, precision, and great value. Powered by a regulated high-pressure air system, it uses an internal tank rated at 3,000 pounds per square inch in the original model and up to 4,500 pounds per square inch in newer versions. The pistol features a multi-shot bolt action or side lever mechanism paired with a 10-round magazine, and it is available in .22, .25, and .30 calibers. With a muzzle velocity of 900 to 950 feet per second and energy levels reaching 25 FPE, it performs exceptionally well for target shooting and small game hunting. Reviewers often highlight its impressive grouping at 50 yards. Measuring 46.75 inches in length and weighing about 9.25 pounds, the Gauntlet delivers premium PCP performance at a surprisingly affordable price. Number 2. Air Force Talon P PCP Pistol. The Air Force Talon P PCP pistol is a compact yet powerful airgun designed for shooters who want precision in a lightweight platform. Chambered in .25 caliber and equipped with a Lothar-Walther barrel, it delivers excellent accuracy and smooth pellet loading. Its pre-charged pneumatic system ensures a recoil-free shooting experience, allowing shooters to stay on target for follow-up shots. One of its standout features is adjustable power control, letting users fine-tune the output depending on whether they're shooting targets or hunting. The pistol also includes a built-in pressure relief system for added safety and easier maintenance. Finished in a sleek black design, the Talon P combines rugged performance with a clean, modern look. Number 3. Benjamin Marauder Pistol. The Benjamin Marauder Pistol is a fast, accurate, and dependable PCP airgun designed for serious enthusiasts. This pre-charged pneumatic pistol delivers enough power for small game hunting while maintaining excellent shot-to-shot consistency. Its shrouded barrel helps reduce noise while improving accuracy, achieving velocities of up to 800 feet per second. The 8-shot rotary magazine in .22 caliber allows smooth and quick follow-up shots. With the ability to deliver around 30 shots per fill, it strikes a solid balance between power and air efficiency. A unique feature of the Marauder is its convertible design, allowing the pistol grip to be replaced with a synthetic all-weather shoulder stock for carbine-style shooting. The Benjamin Marauder pistol is typically priced around $428.90. Number 4. Seneca Sentinel PCP Pistol. The Seneca Sentinel PCP pistol captures the spirit of traditional hunting while integrating modern airgun technology. Designed for shooters who value versatility, the Sentinel can fire pellets, round balls, and specialty ammunition, making it suitable for trail shooting, pest control, and small game hunting. Seneca's craftsmanship is clear in the Sentinel's design, which reflects the classic aesthetics of the golden era of hunting firearms. Combining heritage styling with modern performance, this pistol offers a unique experience for airgun enthusiasts who appreciate both power and adaptability. The Seneca Sentinel provides a compact yet capable option for shooters seeking a versatile airgun. Number 5. Air Force Edge. The Air Force Edge PCP airgun is a precision-built 10-meter Sporter class competition rifle approved by the Civilian Marksmanship Program, CMP. It features a highly adjustable stock, allowing shooters to customize the length of pull, cheek height, and forearm position to suit different body sizes and shooting styles. The 2-stage adjustable trigger delivers a clean, crisp break and also includes a dry fire function for safe practice. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, the Edge is both lightweight and extremely durable. Chambered in .177 caliber, it produces a competition-tuned velocity of 500 to 575 feet per second, prioritizing accuracy over raw speed. With precision diopter sights and remarkable pellet-on-pellet accuracy at 10 meters, the Air Force Edge stands out as a world-class target airgun, priced at around $659.95. Number 6. Evenix Rainstorm. The Evenix Rainstorm PCP pistol features a compact and aggressive design, backed by high-performance engineering. Using a pre-charged pneumatic system filled to 3,000 psi, the pistol delivers reliable and consistent performance with every shot. Its smooth side lever action enables fast cycling, making it ideal for quick follow-up shots. The pistol also includes a shrouded barrel to reduce noise, which is especially beneficial in controlled shooting environments. A two-stage adjustable trigger offers excellent shot control and precision. Additionally, the Rainstorm uses a metal rotary magazine with a ball-bearing mechanism that prevents double loading. Number 7. FX Dreamline PCP Pistol. The FX Dreamline PCP pistol is widely considered one of the most modular airguns ever produced. Built around FX's innovative Lego-style design philosophy, the Dreamline tactical model starts as a stockless pistol platform that can be customized with different barrels, air cylinders, and AR-15 style grips. It features the STX Smooth Twist X barrel system, allowing shooters to swap calibers and barrel liners for optimal pellet or slug performance. The externally adjustable AMP regulator ensures consistent air pressure and exceptional accuracy without needing to degas the system. Adjustable valve flow and hammer tension provide additional tuning options for perfect shot balance. Combined with a smooth side lever action, high-capacity rotary magazine, and match-grade trigger. Number 8. Air Force Texan. The Air Force Texan PCP pistol is a compact powerhouse built for big-bore performance. Powered by a pre-charged pneumatic system, it uses compressed air from an external tank or hand pump to generate impressive stopping power. Available in .257, .308, .357, .457, and .510 calibers, the Texan is designed primarily for hunters seeking extreme energy from an airgun platform. It features a single-shot design with a smooth side lever cocking system for reliable operation. A match-grade Lothar Walther barrel ensures outstanding accuracy even at higher power levels. Modern versions include a Weaver/Picatinny optics rail for scope mounting and an automatic safety system. Built with a durable aircraft-grade aluminum frame, the Air Force Texan combines tactical styling with uncompromising big-bore power. And that wraps up our list of the 10 best PCP air pistols of 2025 currently dominating the airgun market. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more reviews, comparisons, and expert tips on the best airguns available today.